morning. We might get Milo puppacino, but we don't know. It's giving 6-7.
Strawberries and cream cones. Oh, guys, I actually can't be asked. Like, I'm so tired. I think we should go.
Today. Today?
Oh, I suppose. Oh, get in, girl. Oh, Milo, where are we going?
Oh, baby.
Oh, what is up, guys?
Yeah.
Welcome to another
It's close, guys. So we're gonna
look at the. It's literally sunset now. So.
Where's your camera? Yeah. It's like far away. Okay, guys,
We are at the drive-through, guys.
Starbucks is there.
Oh, she looks like she's closed. Is it open?
Better not be.
Wait, are they closed?
Nah. Wait.
Nah, Alisa. So we checked her and it was closed.
Did it say it was open?
Yeah. Sir.
Guys.
Wow, look. Whoa.
So we're gonna watch sunset instead because
It already is sunset, girl.
well, we're gonna watch the sky basically.
So basically, I just did 6 miles for no reason. Thanks, Alisa.
Sorry.
We are back home. Milo, how are you feeling right now? Are you feeling disappointed?
Maybe I'll just bike up the street.
Right now?
Yeah, I feel like biking. Or can I be asked taking it? Do it.
Oh, why is it red? Oh, does that mean it's recording? Lol. Milo, say hi. Milo, can I have a high five? High five. Milo, high five. High five. Hoi. High five. Give me a high five. Dab me up. Ooh. Oh, sorry. Couldn't get your puppacino today, mate. Bro, I'm so tired, mate. It does look blurry, doesn't it? Why is the quality not looking nice?